Okay, so we are here today and I'm just giving a brief overview of the HumanWare Connect 12 system. First things first, in order to start up, so what you would do is you would have a button here. Let me zoom in there on that. So there's your button. You just press that, you hold it down. It takes approximately 60 seconds to power up. So just your patience is appreciated. Obviously when you open it from the box initially, you'll need to charge it, so you have the charging port there, and the actual port is, let me just bring this up here, the port is this one here, so it's the middle, it is the middle connector. You just plug it in and charge it. In terms of the camera then, when it's new out of the box, you'll need to charge as well. And it's the same principle there. You have a USB connector there, inside there. Just be very careful with the side that you put in. So this is the correct size, so you just put it straight in like that. And again, let that charge for a while. Now, to power up the camera, you just simply press the power button there. So I'll press that. And it's powered up now. So assuming that the computer is turned on. So there's two options. The magnifier is for reading text, hard copy text. So let's give an example. Here is some text here. So I just put it underneath and I press the magnifier. So there we are. And it's a simple case of spreading the two fingers to zoom in, or you can also do the plus and minus on the actual button itself. And again, to pinch, you zoom out. Now, the next thing is if you have a situation where you want to read text on the board in distance, so you press to jump out, and then you go to the app, and that app is called the Distance app. Okay, so if I press the Distance app there, now it's communicating with the camera. So ideally, hopefully the camera should connect up automatically. Just have a look at the user manual if you have a difficulty with that. So let's pretend that this is the board here. And again, I want to zoom in here. So I just zoom in slowly. Now this requires a little bit of maneuvering of the camera. So you just basically you move the camera and you're seeing how it's progressing. Just slight bending of the bar there. And again, we just simply zoom in. Let's see. And if that doesn't work, then you just simply press the plus on the actual app itself. Now it's automatically zooming. It's automatically focusing. It has autofocus. So it's just a case of, there we are. So it has focus there on that. And then if you want to read both the text and the screen, you have dual functionality. So if you press the button there, so there we have dual functionality. And again, we can pinch and zoom in here on our text underneath. And we have our text above as well. Now, if you want to jump in to the actual now, autofocus sometimes is switched off there. If you hold down the button, it can take a photograph as well. And it's just taking a few seconds there now. And as well as that, again, if you wanted to jump back into the camera, That's the actual photograph, apologies. So just to jump back out again then, if you lose orientation, you go back to your dual screen. So that is basically it. That's the end of this. Again, you can double click there and it brings you straight in there. And that's the basic overall outline of it. Again, jumping back to the dual screen, pinching to zoom in on the text. That is the core functionality of using the Connect 12 system in a classroom environment. Thank you for watching.